In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to create a hyperlink within your Canva document. So just note that when you download this document, you have the option again here to do PNG or PDF or JPEG or SVG, all these different things. If you add a hyperlink, it will only work if you use PDF standard or PDF print. It doesn't work with the PNG. Well, it might work with some of the other things, but I have tried it with the PNG and it does not work. So definitely with PDF, it will work. So what you would want to do is go to where you'd want to create your link. So for example, this text here, I want to link my YouTube channel here. So I am going to highlight it, just drag my mouse from the over to highlight it or double click within the text box. Then you'll see these this icon pop up and you can see that it says link. So we just go ahead and click that. And then I've already copied my link from my YouTube. So I'm just going to paste that in using Command V because I have a MacBook and hit enter. And now this document, this is linked to that page. If you want to test to make sure it's going to the right page, then you can just click this arrow, which says open link in new tab. And when you click that, it should open up your link and you can make sure it's working.